What's going on, guys? I'm about to head to Dallas's house right now, and we're gonna be putting on Devin's lower control arms on his Cressida. And oh yeah, and then I also showed you guys in the last video, I got these clear tail lights, trunk lights. So I'm gonna be installing these two. Should be super easy. And yeah, since mine are like super oversprayed from the last time Ricky painted my car, and there's like some yellow on it, so yeah, I'm gonna be installing that today. And I don't know, we're just gonna be vlogging, chilling, and that's about it, guys. But thanks for coming back to the channel. Yeah, this motherfucker is loud. All right, let's go. Oh man, I love this thing. So we're at Hoffman's. This is Devin's car, AKA Bob Ross.
Yeah, blow.
Say what up, Blut.
Hello, what up,
Hey.
Bud?
Out of the I came from the gutter.
That's the gutter. So this is his Cressy. I guess we're doing some arms. We're doing some arms today. Not really sure what he said we were doing, but yeah, we're here working on it. I think Hoffman's about to do a oil change on his 1J IS, and I'm gonna put on the trunk tail lights because those are really messed up. But other than that, let's get this done, boy. What's wrong with it? Your arms are messed up or what?
I like pushing my brakes.
Oh, shakes. Have you tried an alignment? What if that's it? What if your arms aren't even the problem?
Well, regardless, my toe arm bent or my tie rod bent as shit.
Oh, okay.
So I'm doing that too.
So let's get that done. I'm gonna get the stands so we don't die.
You can see that shit like it has play and shaking.
All right, yeah, that's not good. Grab that one, Gus. Sketch. Does it do it to the other side?
Yeah, both sides.
Both sides?
Yeah.
Did you get arms for both sides?
Yeah.
Oh man, that's sketch.
Wait till you see the tie rod.
Yeah.
It's all bent. Ugh. Yeah, she's leaking too, bro. Yeah.
Yeah, I need to take off my. Low key, I forgot how loose they were. I shouldn't have drove on it like that.
Oh man, that shit bent as fuck. I don't know if you guys can tell. So that's the arm you got?
Yeah, I got this arm. And
Oh, the whole lower?
this whole lower and then inner and outer.
Because the lowers look shaky.
It's like this.
Is it?
It looks like it's this fucking thing right here on the bottom of my lowers. It's like shaking and it's making the whole like coil shake back and forth, this whole hub and everything.
Huh.
I don't know. I'm just gonna replace all of that and hopefully it works.
Hopefully it works.
Oh, I'm going.
That's the whole lower? Yeah.
They look just like 240 ones. Sometimes it.
Huh. Brand new. Oh shit!
Well, no. Since it's on the ratchet, it's gonna do it no matter what.
Yeah.
Wait, but make sure it's on.
Loosening.
See it? Which is ratchet?
I was right for sure. wall.
Just go. It's all the way turned now.
Is it? No, it's not.
There you go. Let's go. There you go.
Make sure you're on it.
Are those RCAs that you guys put in?
Yeah.
Now break the other one loose too.
On the other side? So there's 2 on each side?
Well, it's like your car.
Yeah, the 2, yeah. So while they do that, we are gonna do this. Should be super easy. Usually when you buy them, these were like 25 bucks. So usually when you buy them, you get 2 and then the bulbs. So that's cool. Because usually if you put in the bulbs that they already have in here, it'll be super bright. It won't be red. It's only red because of the tint. And right here, you just take them out right here. I think that's like a 10. 10 and a 10 on that side, just to see. It's right there, on that way.
Where? Oh shit.
Yeah. So I need to get a 10. I've never taken these out before, though. Yeah, see, these are definitely like, oh dude, they're like black. I think it's just one there, maybe a clip. A clip? Oh yeah, there you go. You just push the actual lighting on. Unless there's a clip. Oh no, that's it. Oh yeah, it has a little soft piece already. Should I replace that too?
Yeah, choose that one.
Yeah. So yeah, see, Ricky oversprayed. Look, he oversprayed the new paint and then the old paint. And I don't know how he got that all white. So yeah, that's old.
Did you tighten this one?
So this is super crusty compared to this. Is all soft still. And then there's specific ones. This one's on the left and the other one's are right. So like what Travis said, it curves differently. Just like that side. I don't know if you can tell. Oh shit. Ooh, pops right in. Pops right in, boys. And then you just put the 10 on and that's it. Put the bulb in. Oh shit, forgot to put that in. And then tighten it with the 10. Wait, since this is already off, it's easier for me to fix. Don't tighten it too tight, because you might crack it. And that's it. And then you put the bulb in. Oh wait, I need to replace it. So this is the new bulb. You don't want to touch it with your hands. Or you can wear gloves maybe. Oh shit. I think it's in. Hold on. Alright. Record it. On?
Yeah.
Yeah, see how it's red? Oh, this is a pretty nice red. And then I'll show you the other side when I turn it on. Oh yeah, I'll do it right now, hold up. So that's white, right?
Yeah.
And how they actually tint the bulb so that you don't have to go get an actual red LED. It's tight. What do you guys think? I feel like these should be chrome too. Kind of like weird. Lip is legit just chilling in front of my house. Ain't nobody grab it. Bruh, is that even a package?
That's how mine came.
So I got the rear lip so Ricky can paint it. Hopefully it fits. I doubt the shit will fit. Look, they put my rear lip in a trash bag. A bag within a bag. Inception, bro.
Oh, okay, I'm about to get ice cream from the ice cream man.
Hey, like flexing here. Damn, son. Think you're static? Bro, this shit actually fits pretty good.
Oh shit.
Dude, it legit fits like good. Dude, the reviews on it were really shitty. Hey, Red Money, look. It fits pretty good.
What the
fuck was that?
The car was moving.
Oh, thanks, bro. Looks like shit, bro.
Yeah, drilled on the side of the bumper. Wait, am I gonna make it too tight? Like what we did.
Man, you got orange peel off the ass on your quarter panel.
What?
Orange peel.
Oh, hell yeah, bro.
Jesus.
I'm sponsored by Orange Peel.
No shit.
We're doing flex. You think this is far down enough? Right there? Yeah?
Oh, dude, you're not helping them with the banner?
A little bit.
Oh, shit's gonna fuck up. I told him to wait. I'd do it. Oh! Christ is... Oh! What'd you do? You? Dang it. Bro, this thing is not letting me poke her pussy. Where the fuck did it go?
Better find it.
It's right here.
Oh. I didn't even see it either.
This is both boy. How not to put a rear lip on? Fuck this.
You should have just sent it with the zip tie.
Oh, hell no.
Bro.
All my lips that were zip tied, bro, they're all on the road. God damn. Cody, hold this. Hold it like this. Pull it out more. Pull it out more. There you go. Alright, if this doesn't go in, I'm fading this car. Oh, you see that? My car heard it. Alright, you can let go now.
You spoke too soon. You want me to do that again?
Yeah. There. Fuck. Bro, yeah. Dude, it went perfectly into those three, but not the last one. I'm heated. Bro, are you still recording?
Yep.
This is bad. That thing is dying.
There's no way it's far.
Oh, okay, hey, that's good.
Wow.
Jesus.
This thing's fucking mint.
You got a nut on your shit. What? All over your sweater.
Hey, bro, have you guys ever done the what was it? The ironing.
Oh, the fucking.
That's what I tried doing.
Man, what the fuck?
That ain't gonna work.
How are you guys doing on the banner? Struggling. Here, grab this end. Do not let it fucking fold.
Somebody does. What kind of banner we got here?
What are we doing?
Pull it all the way off.
All the way off?
Actually, should we?
I mean, you're the one telling me what to do,
What
bro.
do you think, Cody?
I have no. I'm not putting.
Just make sure you grab it. No, grab it. You better grab that end.
What do you mean? What am I?
Grab that.
I'm grabbing it, bro. What do you want me to do?
Go, pull it off.
I'm so confused to what's going
Bro,
on.
that's
right
why I said grab it. Grab that. The white.
Grab that,
Let go
fool.
of that.
This
Grab
isn't
that.
the sticker.
No.
It's a sticker.
Grab it before it falls. Grab both ends. Grab both ends.
Now you're communicating. All right. What are you?
You should have took that fucking chop after, dog. Hold on.
He's holding it.
Yeah, bro. I'm like, look at the back of that shit. It looks like a sticker.
All right, hold on. Pull it more towards you so you clear.
Come through.
Where's the line at? Where the fuck did you?
There's only a line on one
I'm
side.
not setting it. I'm not setting
Hold on. Okay, I see the line. Pull it more towards you. I want to make sure you got enough on your end. Pull it more towards you till like it overlaps the pillar.
It's completely past it.
You're not even past that shit. You gotta go farther down.
Wait up.
Bro.
That'll be the end of the video, guys. Thanks for coming back and supporting us like always. And before I end this video, I just want to tell you guys that the homies don't know how to put a banner on. See ya.